trader. By nature, he was kanjus. See, some people are kanjus, some people are makhichus. Makhichus means if the fly fell in the milk, they will take it out and squeeze it to remove the milk. That's makhichus. But that was the nature of this trader. Now he came to Swamiji's lecture and he came to know that all the puja you can do in the mind. He found out that I won't have to spend any money on the chandan, on the agarbatti, on the karpur. He said, wow, there's a financial tactical advantage. The next day he sat down, he brought his Bal Gopal in front, then he got the water of the Yamuna, the Ganga, the Narmada, all the holy rivers, and he bathed his Lala in it, and then he dried him up, and then he did his Shringar, and he had cooked a meal and then offered it. 1 hour went by. So he was totally absorbed in God for 1 hour. He said, my, this was very nice. Now I should do it every day. So he started doing it on a daily basis. Many years went by. By now he had developed great love for Shyam Sundar. And his Roop Dhyan had become paripak, solidified. So he used to feel that the items are right there. So he was doing the Roop Dhyan one day and eat rice, Indian delicacy. So he was cooking that. And then to embellish it, he added some elaichi, and then further he added some kesar, saffron. But he got this sensation that all the kesar from the dibbi has fallen into the kheer. He got this sensation as dhyan. Sometimes God itself, when you go further ahead in your dhyan, then God will take over sometime and do a little tweak here, there. So he got this sensation. He said, my, kesar, saffron is so expensive. All of it has fallen there. So this is a big loss. Now he is forgetting that he has not spent any money in it. So in his mind itself, he started taking it out because he was a kanjus, so the nature is still remaining. He started taking it out. I will reuse this tomorrow, just leave a little bit there. Now, Sri Krishna notes at every moment what we think. Sri Krishna thought that he is trying so hard. Let me give him the fruit. Sri Krishna manifested and caught his hand. So his dhyan snapped and he saw the Lord there. Sri Krishna said, Kanjus, Makhi chus. उस केसर में तेरे बाप का कुछ पैसा खर्च हुआ था कि उसको निकालना था? Did you spend your father's inheritance in that saffron that you have to take it out? Did you spend your father's inheritance in that saffron that you have to take it out? You see how he had darshan of the Lord by the Roop Dhyan. This is the most powerful. So, chanting of the name, everybody is doing. Who is not doing? In every street, Sitaram, 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 everybody is doing. But the mind is not getting purified. Krishna, Krishna, sab hi kahe, thag, thakur, aru chora, bina prem rijhe nahi, premi nand kishore. Just saying Krishna, Krishna will not work. You have to fill it with sentiments. And to have those sentiments, the mind should be grabbed by the remembrance of God. That is the dhyan, that is the meditation. One disciple, he said, Gurudev, I am doing sadhana, I am not making progress. Gurudev said that you are not focusing your mind. I am focusing my mind. So Gurudev laughed it off. Half an hour later, he forgot. Gurudev came from behind and grabbed him. So the more he tried to leave, Gurudev has got him from behind. He was unable to remove himself. Gurudev said, this is focus. When your mind grabs the object, the focus means your mind is fully there with God. Now, if you are just saying Om, 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 that is all right. You are welcome to do it. Sri Krishna says, I am Om. But how will your mind get attached to Om? Your mind is attached to all the movements of beta, beti. The mind will say, Arey, itna boring hai, man hi nahi lagta. The mind should get engaged. And to engage the mind, you give your mind the image of God. Maharishi Patanjali himself says, Tad japas tad artha bhavanam. What jap you do, you create the bhav. Now you are saying Krishna, Krishna, Radhe, Radhe. So before that, you bring their image in the mind and then take the name. Now the mind will have a basis for love. The mind will have a basis for getting attached to Sri Krishna. If you can just do this much, close your eyes and bring the Lord in front. Then after that, you don't need to ask any Swami, any Baba, any Pandit, any Guru. Swami ji, man nahi lagta, kya kare? Arey, kya kare? You just close your eyes and bring the Lord in front and you see wo lag jayega. But with the help of this, you program the subconscious to make it your friend, your best friend, which is always telling you it is possible. You will succeed by the grace of God. There is no problem. The whole universe is helping you. You program your subconscious to your advantage. This is the law of the subconscious mind.